Hey everybody, it's April 24th. I'm in my greenhouse. It's time to set it all up to do the hydroponics season 3, year 3. All the hydrotons cleaned up. I reused it, just washed it in vinegar and then let it soak. I'll give everything another rinse. Now I gotta set up all the buckets, set up the reservoir, get these guys going, which hold the net cups for the smaller things, and I got a bunch of stuff inside that I've been growing under a new lamp I got, so off to a good start. And I'll just do a time lapse of the setup. Okay, so the water test did pretty good. There's only one here that needed a little poke to get it out right. I forgot to put in my painter's bag here that I made a little frame for with just snap straps and some old piping. Helps to keep all the crap out of the going through the system and clogging it up. So I gotta put that in, and then I got a bunch of stuff I've been growing, like just this celery here that was just a cut off. Now all the roots are coming. Just clean it up a bit, and you got your yourself some celery. I got another one just started. Little guy. So we just pop these right in here. Give them this guy a big sunny space. And then I got a bunch of just leafy stuff, arugula, kale, collard greens. So I'll just pop all those guys in these here. And then I'll make 15 more. Well, I probably got a lot more because I got some what do I call them? The crab key buckets that these were in. So it's just a bucket with nutrients with the holes in and these net cups in it. So I think these have been going since mid-March, 18th I think. Some collard greens, some lettuce. Filled that up pretty good. So those are all done. Now I got some plants just from our local plant place to start on these bigger guys, including this tomato here, which I haven't tried this variety before, but it looks good. Just the Bush Champion. So with these guys, because it's going in here, I don't want any dirt. So all this dirt's gotta go. Just kind of massage it all out. And I got another bucket here for dumping the water. got some good dirt to grow more stuff in. Like I'm doing a bunch of hot peppers and just beer cans. So I do need some good dirt, even though I prefer hydroponics. This guy's got quite the root system already. So just dump it in water. Just clump out. Take the hose to this. But you get the drift. So I gotta clean all this up, and then we'll start putting them in, burying them in these, and off we go. Grow season number 3 in the hydroponic tank. Alright, back later. Okay, so the one tomato's in. I got one of the pepper. Oh, gotta put the little tag with them. Just use a ring of fire pepper. Those guys are always good to dry out, and I sprinkle them on my breakfast. But I got some other ones I gotta put in just from the cubes. So I got some beefsteak tomatoes, this cucumber, lots of roots on it. A peach ghost pepper, love them. Another cucumber, pickling cucumber that's already flowered, just in this thing. It's crazy. So once I get the nutrients on it, it'll be very happy. And this guy, which is a French green onion, or a green bean. So he's already coming out strong. Root. So I'll plant these guys in some of these bigger pots, and all these guys are in. Got kale, arugula, celery, more arugula, collard greens. There's some lettuces here. This one looks like it's gonna bolt, but I'll get more ready so that we're always got a salad available in here. Okay, back going. All right, nice day. Everything's set up. The pump just turned on, so it's all working. We got the nutrients here I gotta put in still. I just put in the Flora Grow. I gotta put in the Bloom and the Micro. It's General Hydroponics system. That's what I've been using the last 3 years. So I got everything hooked up. I got 15 little guys in here. I was going to bring a strawberry in, but I'll wait until maybe it'll be the first replacement. So I got a Peach Ghost, which you can see the water going over it. A lot of berry in there. Tomato, bush pickle, another cucumber, ring of fire pepper, tomato, another Peach Ghost, which just gonna make sure the roots are getting some water there. And I'm gonna cover these guys just so they don't pop out when the water comes on suddenly. Got some beefsteak tomatoes, cucumber, tomato, cucumber, and green bean. So there's just my Costco tote. Painted the top white. I'll have to redo it, but last year I just covered it with tin foil. I got the bag in there to keep anything out of going back into the system to cut it off, and some air blowers in there, a little air pump, just so the nutrients circulate. But yeah, it's 40 degrees in here, which is nice, and about 25 outside. So a good day to start. I've been waiting to start for quite a while. But you know, in a couple of weeks we'll be eating stuff out of here. Let's see the drips. So these just come in here. The pipes go all around, and it's a kind of a closed figure 8 system here. It goes down and connects there. So there should be even water pressure for everything. My favorite roots right now are probably these guys. Nice and white and healthy. And this is great for just taking off a little chunk, putting it in your sauces and stuff. Arugula, kale chips in the air fryer. Really, that's good. So I'm going to try to do the same with the collard greens. I've got some other lettuces, lots of arugula. Love arugula. Okay, we're off to a good start here. Week 1, it's April 24th, I think. A little later than I'd like it to be, but let's go. Alright, thanks for watching.